Hello. Today we're going to explain business strategy. What is it and why invest in it? Yes, at its core, business strategy is basically a story about your business both now and into the future. It could cover the whole organization or a division like marketing or a subject, for example, technology. All stories need to have a great plot, and business strategy is no different. It needs to be attractive to inspire curiosity, memorable so people can recall it when required and repeat it to others, and most of all, it needs to be convincing to create buy-in, belief, and followers. Great strategy achieves this by triggering the three modes that us humans use to process information. There's thinking, which is factual, using data, feeling, which is emotional, using images and pictures, and knowing, which is instinctive, using short bullet point summaries. So that's the plot, but who are the characters in this story? Here are the three central ones: the customers you serve, the staff who make everything happen, and the shareholders who invest in your business. Or if you're a not-for-profit or government department without shareholders, the key stakeholders that you are ultimately answerable to. Other characters might include competitors, other business fundamentals, for example, the main technology you use or intellectual property, maybe a license to operate. And the story will also include relevant context, for example, government policy and regulations, economic, social, and environmental issues. Okay. So why invest in strategy? First thing we should say is that all organizations have a strategy. This question is why consciously identify or design it. The alternative is a strategy that just emerges as the sum of activity across the business. Now, great strategy creates the confidence to make decisions and invest. It's empowering and energizing and creates focus and speed. Just think how great this would be for your organization in today's volatile and fast-moving world. Okay, but what are the triggers for doing it right now? Well, there are three. Firstly, compliance. This is the headquarters says we need to produce a strategy, therefore we'll produce a strategy. The second one is alignment. People in the business are pulling in different directions. We keep on going round in circles is the sort of comment that people make. That's a sign you need a strategy for alignment purposes. And the final one is for decisions. The business is at some sort of crossroads. For example, a crisis or major opportunity, or maybe a new boss has arrived. In summary, the trigger is the need to consciously set direction. It's ironic that organisations operating in their comfort zone often fail to consider strategy because they don't see the need. Failure to do this often hastens a crisis, by which time they wish they'd done it earlier. We think this quote summarises it quite well. The person who does not worry about the future will shortly have worries about the present. Although this is an ancient Chinese proverb, it is just as relevant in today's volatile and fast-changing world. In particular, digital disruption is creating all sorts of threats and opportunities for organisations. Traditional business as usual is not good at managing this. We at Mensard help smart and ambitious people, just like you, to seize new opportunities and unleash superior performance. Check out our website for free support tools. In particular, a business prognosis questionnaire, which will help you identify whether you should invest in strategy. It is only 6 questions and will take you only a few minutes to complete. There's a short video on how to produce strategy which is fast, conclusive and enabling for your organisation. You can also ask questions and have them answered. These resources are available right now at mensard.com, completely free of charge. Go there now.